Hello guys, today, we'll explore the fierce combat moments of elephants, a species that lives in herds and is highly intelligent. Elephants fighting with each other. As you can see, these two elephants are using their tusks to engage in combat. When elephants engage in combat, they often use their large and powerful tusks to attack their opponents. Battles between elephants typically occur for various reasons, including competition for food, territorial dominance, or to attract the attention of female individuals within the herd. Elephants are highly intelligent beings capable of strategic thinking and confrontations. Their large tusks not only serve as powerful weapons, but also symbolize strength and authority in the natural world. In this battle, the two elephants use their tusks to jab, push, and even grind their teeth against each other. Battles between elephants are often intense and dramatic, showcasing the fierce nature of the wild. They are the largest herbivores with a strong territorial instinct. They are willing to confront carnivores such as lions, hyenas, crocodiles, and even humans in defense of their territory. On the screen, this elephant is battling with two wild buffaloes. It seems like he wants to claim this pond. The two buffaloes are very tenacious, not afraid of anyone. The elephant called the herd to confront immediately. The buffaloes seemed to be afraid, and eventually had no choice but to move away. Elephant confronts rhinoceros. In the dark of night, the elephant and the rhinoceros are locking horns with each other. The elephant slowly advances, and the rhinoceros, being smaller, has to retreat. The rhino, feeling cornered, takes a daring move, charging at the elephant with its horn. The elephant, not backing down, charges and uses its tusks to thrust the rhino, making it fall to the ground. Painful, the rhinoceros limps away. Elephant rescues buffalo from lion pride. This buffalo is surrounded by a pride of lions. Fortunately, an elephant rushed to chase the lion pack away, giving the buffalo a chance to escape. Elephants are very intelligent animals. In this case, our elephant friend is not foraging. Instead, he chooses to block the sugarcane transport to ask for food. The road one by one, making it difficult to pass unless you provide him with some food. He doesn't harm anyone, just seeking food.